back to Aka's multi concepts, where I'm teaching you digital skills for free. In today's class, we'll be going deeper on how to design using Canva. In this class, we'll be making use of templates that Canva have already put in place for you to make use of. What you just need is just to edit them and input your own details in them. So if you go through all these templates, you will see very beautiful designs, which are templates that you can make use of to design. For my own case, maybe I am a graphic design. I will just search for graphic design. So then click on search. It will bring all the templates that relate with the graphic designer. Can you see? And you can make use of any one of them to. So for my own now, my company color is green, so I prefer this one. Just click on it and it will start loading it for you. So can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So network, just click on reload. So it's beginning it. Wait a little. So now, for me to make use of this design now to my own taste, I have to go to at the right corner at the top. You will see the three dots, the menu dots. Click on it. After you click on it, you will see upload file, resize, view all pages, settings, save. Don't mind that. So but on this, what we want to do here is that we want to change the name of this work, so that whenever you want to look for it later, you will know that this is the name that you used to save it, and you just search for it as we search for this one. So click on this pen sign, click on it and click on okay. In my own case, Akas graphics. So Akas creativity. So and you will click on save. You can see save. You can save here, but it's very important. I have to okay. So click on save. It will save automatically. And now we want to start editing. So you can see this Wadere Inc is the name of the company. My own company is, when you click on it, it will bring this rectangle with purple color. So look at the bottom of this screen. You see edit, font, text style, font size, color, and the rest too. So I want to change this company name now. So click on edit. Can you see? So I will now input your own company name. Agas. We first delete it. Input your own company. Agas print concepts. Print concepts. Can you see? So that is the name of my company. So you can see that the name is the one we edited is on 19, and this one has become 29 now. This edge, this triangle color with purple color, you can see the one that is right at the right hand side. You can see the white dot there. So like one. So just place your finger on it and drag it to your right hand side. Can you see? So it will make it on 19. So for the complaint, I will delete it. Whenever you click on any text, it will bring the options that is showing at the front, at the top of this screen. So the pen sign with the blue color, the comment sign, the duplicates, this toolbox that plus is inside one of them, so it's duplicates. So maybe you want to Okay, let me show you. Click on the duplicate, so it will make it two. Can you see? I can make use of it. eh? So maybe you want to delete anything, so just click on it and you click delete. Can you see? So this three button now, at the right hand side, if we click on it, it will bring some options. Can you see? So if you click on options, copy, paste, duplicate, delete, and so on and so forth. So that is all about that. So in my own case now, I want to delete this one. Delete. So I want to drag this Arcas print concept to come down small so that it will be in line with the logo. So this plus, this plus at the bottom of this text now. Can you see? So it is it that will be making use of to move the text or any picture so around this interface now. So graphic design, that is what I want to say also. Graphic design complaint. What we offer: attractive graphic design, effective digital marketing strategy, professional website development. Yes, so I'm also in website development. So if anyone of you have interest in how to build website, or you want to know how to design websites, so by next week or upper next week, I'll be teaching another class. So it's not a day group. I'll be teaching another class on how they can build website for their business themselves without paying for it. It's free. So in my own case now, I want to edit this my website. I have website. So www.kayodeonline.online. So that is my website. Okay, so you can see I have finished editing all the text on this template now. So for my own case, this picture I want to change it because it's not my own picture. So I have to place my own picture on it. So I first duplicate it in case it has error when I'm doing my editing. So after duplicating it, so look at your bottom of your screen. You will see display, replace, select, remove background, blah blah blah. So just click on replace. So it will take you to upload your fake picture from your gallery. So it's not compulsory that you use your picture. You can use your computer image or any other image that's relating with your work. So but for my own case, so yes, let me use this one, mashallah. So it worked today. So the one that with the green background, with the green t-shirt, let me make use of it. So can you see? So can you see that this picture is larger, is large? So I want to reduce it. You will use your two fingers, your thumb and the following one. So you place it on it, and whenever you move them closer together, it will reduce. Whenever you release them, it will enlarge your picture. So I'm doing that now. So I'm trying to edit the picture. Okay, okay. Can you see what I did? So I click on the three dots uh and I select detach image. So that is when the image now come out. So I want to place it inside. You can see because the image is too larger inside this background. So I have to detach it outside and reduce the size so that it will come out good inside inside the background. Can you see when you drag it on this frame now, so it will automatically go inside itself. So I think it's okay like that. And for this one, I will delete it. Delete it. So can you see? As simple as that. So now I have created a very low design for my business. So this is the complimentary card for my business. And if I have any logo I want to input. So this company logo now. So I will just, okay, it cannot be replaced. But if I want to input anything, apart from the picture that are already here, so go to the top of this screen now. You see three dots. These three dots. So click on it and you will choose upload files. Upload files. So it will take you to where you upload any picture from your gallery. I pick my image, click on done, and it will automatically upload it. So the picture we upload now, we will now go. Let me go back to show you. So after we have uploaded the file from the gallery, so go to the bottom, all this button here, so slash it to his left side and you see upload. You will see all the pictures you uploaded from your gallery. Network again, so you will pick the one you want to pick. In my own case, I'm picking this one. So after that, you will now drag it. You see the dragging button, this white circle at the edge of the sides of the rectangle. So this one I will delete it, and this one I will bring it here. So I have to make it small. It doesn't need to be. I will now move it. Can you see? So after this, now I have finished my design. So to now download it, so go to the top of your screen. At the right hand side corner, you will see the arrow that is pointing to the top. So click on it. So you will click on download. So you see some suggestion. File type that you want to download it, but in our own case you are choosing PNG. So click on download and it will download. It's starting preparing your design. Can you see? Can you see? As simple as that. So after it has downloaded, so it's being the option that know that this now you have already downloaded into your phone memory. So if you want to share it, so you can share it to wherever you want to share it to. So if I could choose, if you want to share it now through Bluetooth or WhatsApp, so to send to the customer that give me the job. So that is it. You just send it to the person. Proof. Kindly make necessary correction. Thanks for your patronage. So that is all about our first class on this. Can you see? So we can go back to our design. So we have finished our design now. So next class we will continue about the practical aspects. Bi-idhnillahi ta'ala. May Almighty Allah make it better understood than being said.